Process for how to start planting a fig tree. Starting a fig tree from cutting is a fairly simple and straightforward process. Here is how to do it in the step-by-step guide. My simple method. Step 1. Ideally, choose a dormant season winter to propagate the tree. However, if you can't do it in the dormant season, you can also do it at any other time, with a little bit of lower success. Step 2. Get several cuttings from your favorite fig tree. Choose branches that are young, about 1/2 to 1 centimeter thick, and take about 10 to 20 centimeters cutting. In my case, I took 3 very young branches, each about 0.5 centimeter thick and about 10 centimeters long. On top of each of these branches, there was one green bulb from which the leaf was expected to form. Step 3. Cut the bottom end of the branch to about 45 degrees and place it in the small, about 10 centimeters wide pot filled with the compost. For this purpose, any compost would do. You don't need special compost or soil. Instead of rooting hormone, use some of your own salive. The depth of the hole should be about 5 centimeters deep. Water the pot thoroughly. Step 4. Place the pot in the bright location, but not to the direct sun, and away from the direct wind. I kept my pots in the corner of the patio, which was shaded for the most of the day. Step 5. Check every day if the soil is dry, and water as often as you notice the soil becomes very dry. I sprayed my cutting almost every morning, but bear in mind that was summer and soil was drying very fast. Young leaf on the newly propagated fig tree. After about 4 weeks, the small leaf started to develop, and one morning noticed a young leaf. Step 6. As soon as faster growth starts, move your rooted fig cuttings in larger pots. The larger pot is now about 18 centimeters wide and 25 centimeters deep. I filled it up with the new compost, added the tree and watered it thoroughly. Step 7. After the tree becomes stronger, wait for the dormant season autumn or winter, and transplant the new tree outdoors, in the ground, in the sunny and shielded location. With this particular tree, I will do it in late autumn, as I feel the tree is not ready yet to endure my open field weather. This tree is still a baby, only 2 months old. While still in the pot, I will keep it on the patio where I can care about it easily.